Court is in session. Be seated, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've received a note from you, and I'm about to give you some additional instructions in response to your question. I'm going to further clarify some areas of law for you. These new instructions are no more or less important than the other instructions I gave you originally. When you resume deliberations, you are to consider all of my instructions together as a whole. Your first question is, does constructive possession mean the accused had to have the intention to use the alleged item in question? And the answer to that is no. The second question is, what defines the words dominion, power, or control in the context of the court instructing you that the Commonwealth must prove that a defendant knowingly had both the power and the intention at a given time to exercise dominion, power, or control over an object. Dominion, power, and control, or control, are really all synonyms, and what they mean is the ability to decide what is to be done with the object that is at issue. In the one case, ammunition, and in the other case, the alleged firearm. So that's what those words mean. They mean the ability to decide what's to be done with the object, and control. The notion of control requires both the ability to know what's to be to decide, the ability to direct, the ability to determine what's to be done with the object in question, and also the intent to exercise that type of control. It does not require the intent to actually use it in some fashion. As I told you, a person who knowingly has both the power and the intention in any given time to exercise dominion, power, or control over the object is in constructive possession of the object. Thus, constructive possession requires that an individual know the location of an object, be able to exercise control over that object, and intend to exercise that control. Again, by control, I mean the power and the ability to decide what is to be done with the object in question. That kind of control over the object. Remember, in your deliberations, you are to consider all of my instructions together as a whole, those I gave you before and those I've just given to you. Do counsel wish to be seen? Thank you. With that, I will ask you to please resume your deliberations.
Court all rise.